Sir Mom, in the YouTube company and all apps of Google company, this is only my cell phone. I have only one cell phone. I have only one cell phone. I have only one YouTube channel. The name of my YouTube channel is Ferdinand Leo Official Channel. Ferdinand Leo Official Channel. That is the name of my channel. So if someone is using my YouTube channel name or videos and transfer it to other devices like laptop or computer or any kinds of cell phone, delete that. That's not mine. That is grabber, vlogger. So that you know how to protect me, how to help me, because Philippines is far to America. And it's not easy to go there just to confirm that I am the owner of the videos and the owner of the channel. So that's it. Sir Mom in the YouTube company, all of Google company. Use your IT experts in order to detect, in order to find these vlogger who are using videos of others without consent. Song of Sir Freddy Aguilar. I forgot the title. For you guys, I hope you like this. Ang buhay kong minsan ay walang direksyon, tila kay lupit-lupit itong panahon. Huwag kang mawawalan ng pag-asa, kailangan lamang ay sipag at tiyaga. Minsan ay magulo, masikli, sa pagsisikap mo ay kakamtin ang nais. Mahirap daw may ginhawa, kailangan lamang ay sipag at tiyaga. Huwag kang mag-isip, huwag kang maluho, tuloy ang laban, bangon kaibigan. Ituloy ang laban, bangon kaibigan. Buhay kong minsan ay magulo, masikip, sa pagsisikap mo ay kakamtin ang nais. Kung mahirap daw ay may ginhawa, kailangan lamang ay sipag at tiyaga. Huwag kang mag-isip, huwag kang maluho, ituloy ang laban, bangon kaibigan. lang naghihintay sa iyong pagsisikat. Ituloy ang laban, ituloy ang laban, ituloy ang laban. Thank you guys for watching. Yes, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Just click the subscribe button below this video, and then the notification bell for more videos coming from me. I'm Ferdinand Leo, but my YouTube channel is Ferdinand Leo Official Channel. Ferdinand Leo Official Channel. Just type that guy when you're looking for me. I'm from the Philippines. I'm Igorot from Mountain Province. I was born in Pinokpok, Kalinga. And now, my family, we are living in Nueva Vizcaya, but I'm working here in Baguio. Any kind of work that I can work, I can do it here in Baguio. I'm doing it just to survive from poverty in this earth we live in. Thank you guys. I love you all, Mama YouTube. Mwah.